Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I made this circular shrug, and it is a kimono style shrug, and I added lots of pom-pom, and because I'm using chiffon fabric, these pom-pom give this shrug a little weight and it hangs really well on my top. So I will guide you step by step how I made it. It's really easy to make. You can prepare it in less than an hour. So before we dive into our video, just make sure you subscribe and share with your family and friends. And I offer sewing 101 course, so everything in one place, so you can learn, you can have a fun, and you can earn money as well when you feel comfortable. So let's dive into our video how I made this stylish shrug. Now fold the fabric just like I did and I described in my previous video of kimono shrug. Length and width is totally your choice. I am using 1.5 meters of fabric, and it still depends on the length you require. You can take more fabric or less fabric, it's totally up to you. So I'm cutting extra fabric, and after cutting this fabric I took my hip measurement and my bust measurement. According to that I am going to give it a shape. So I am like a total width of my hip measurement, I divided it by 4. So now I am marking it, and for the sleeve length, total width of the sleeve from the shoulder down, I left 10 inches for the sleeves. And then I am going to give slight curve from the sleeves area, just like I'm doing, and sleeve looks too long, so I'm going to cut extra fabric because I just want 3/4 sleeves, so I will be cutting extra fabric. So it's totally up to you if you want to keep it long sleeves or short sleeves. So I am giving a shape to my shrug. These are basically now 4 pieces. I am giving the shape. Extra fabric I have cut, and these are my sleeves. They are 3/4 sleeves. Now my shrug main cutting is done, and now I'm going to cut the neckline. For the neckline you don't have to make a big neckline, so I'm just measuring 3 inches. So mark 3 inches wide and then depth only 1 inch, and then give a slight curve. So both front and back, you cut them together, and then after you can separate the front part and give a shape to the front. So now I'm going to separate the front part of the fabric, because front will be open. Make sure do not cut both sides. So it's better to cut just one side, is the front part. And if you by mistake cut back side as well, doesn't matter, you can still stitch it back and give us a slit and make another design. Now I'm going to separate front and back parts, and for the front we will be giving a circular shape. So this is how my my shrug looks like now. So this is the front part. Make it equal, both parts together, pin it up, and it will be better for this chiffon fabric. And now I'm going to give a shape for the front, because front will be a V line, and then you make this V shape slightly curve. So first I make this line, and then I will be, with a free hand, I will be making it curve. So when I will be stitching front and back part, and I will give the final look of this shrug, it will look like a circular shrug. Now it is a time to join these pieces. So simply turn this inside out. Make sure the right side faces, both right side faces each other. Pin them up and start sewing the side of the shrug. There's 2 main stitches and we're done. So we will be hemming our front part after, and then we will be adding pom-pom. So main 2 stitches are these side stitches. I have attached front and back parts together. There was only 2 main stitches, and now I'm going to do hemming from the open ends. So you can use your overlocker or simply fold this fabric and do hemming with the sewing machine. And I have done my hemming part, so I use my overlocker, and after that now I am going to use the pom-pom. There's a lots of pom-pom I bought from Amazon. So this is how now I am going to attach them. Simply place it on the on this fabric because it's already hemmed, and put it under your sewing machine and keep stitching it, and we are ready after that. And we are done. So my shrug is ready. I prepare belt as well, but I don't think so it looks really nice with the this shrug, this style of shrug, so I leave it like this without belt. So you can this is your choice. If you want to make a belt and if you have extra fabric, you can make it, but I will leave it like this. And hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.